I'm doing a full face of MOB Beauty, a clean vegan makeup, and I'm using the Ceramide Cream Foundation in Olive 40, and I'm applying it with a flat brush, and then I'm going to blend it in with a makeup sponge from Orsay Cosmetic just to push it all in and blend it all out. I love how creamy and effortlessly this just goes into the skin, and you can sheer it out with whatever tool that you decide to use. Next, I'm going to go in with the Cream Blush M127. This is a beautiful, soft mauve pink shade, just like a perfect everyday tone. Blending it with my Japanese brush. Now I'm going to use the MOB Sparkle Balm M130 just to give it a little bit of glow. It is so pretty. Now I'm going in with the Cream Eyeshadow M127. This is a beautiful peachy tone. Now I'm going to blend it with a BK Beauty brush just to sheer it out, make it a seamless finish. I'm going to do it on the other eye. You can use your finger and blend it with your finger as well, but I'm going to blend it with the BK Beauty brush. And then I'm going to top it off with the M28 eyeshadow, just a little bit more pigment just to keep it in place for the rest of the day, just to hold it together. And it looks just so beautiful. I love a beautiful peach makeup. I just feel so fresh and youthful. I'm going to use the cream eyeshadow on my lips and just pat it in so I have a monochromatic look. What do you guys think?